This quick video is about how to share your BeReal post on Snapchat using iPhone and iPads. Okay, quickly open BeReal app. Yeah, here you can see your last BeReal post. Just tap that BeReal post. Now you can see these apps. Now just tap Snapchat and open. So just tap send to. Yeah, here you can directly share with your friends or on Snapchat story. I just tap my story, then click send. That's it. Now it's added on my Snapchat story. And if you want to switch between dates, just click here and select the date you want. Adapt this. Then here you can share your BeReal post on Snapchat. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.